So today is Sunday. I have no heat. I ran out of propane for my heat. I'm using my camp stove to cook. You probably will have already seen it by the time you see this. So I decided I'm going to do things a little bit different for my intro. Kick that beat. Now, I will have heat tomorrow. Don't get me wrong. I do have my heaters in here, but I don't have the AC kind of heat. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, again, kick that beat.
Hey, they not like us. The devil can't hold me, bro. I'm coming out the mud. Faith without works is dead. I'm about that action. I had a lot of anger, now I'm working on compassion. My body like a tree, it's the seeds. We the doers, they the talkers. Feeling like Adam when I'm walking through the garden. Surrounded by the temptations, being famous. I'm never gonna trade my soul for some bitch. Tried to steal, the Lord came to reclaim it. God did. This the kind of flow to make an atheist nod his head. I'm not from here. We're going up like the gas price. Who I'm repping, you ain't even gotta ask twice. Way to heaven, holy oil on the tires. Bumping Christian music, Holy Spirit is the driver. Devil thought he had me tied up, now I'm flying up. The devil getting jealous cause I'm spitting that fire.
Raining so bad right now. That gutter is like it can't even take all of the rain. There is absolutely nothing I can do out there other than I will have to go out there once it slacks up and add some more pine shavings to the chickens and of course give them some more feed. Okay guys, so I'm outside. It is the same day. It just got through raining, pouring like I showed y'all. But when I saw the sun, I went out into the sunroom and I said, OMG, I forgot to pot up the berry plants that I had, you guys. The blackberry, the blueberry, etc. I'm about to do it now. You have 24 to 48 hours, they say, to soak them in water. It's been 48 hours. We got to get them potted up right now. So this is the berries here. I think I can remember which was which because I know that this one here that has absolutely nothing on it is the muscadine plant right here, and then we have the blueberry and we have the blackberry, and the blackberry I believe is the small one here. I'm gonna have to be as fast as I possibly can with this because I know that rain is coming back. So I'm going to take one of these buckets. I'm going to store these 3 containers in my husband's garage since it sits right here. You see where I did the soil before. This is not going to be enough soil, so I'm going to have to take from some of the other ones. Let's start off with the one that scares me the most, is this one here. I hope that y'all can see it because I'm not sure how I have it positioned. I'm going to go down deep in here because I need to bury it all the way to here without bending. So that's good enough. And then I'll add salt to it. This is crazy. I already have the nutrients, the fertilizer, and all of that stuff in here, so I'm not worrying about that. Add a little bit around it. I'm sorry you can't see in it, but I'll show you as soon as I get done. I just want to make sure I'm covering it and getting it done before the rain come back. This is some weird funky weather we're having right here, y'all. Weird funky weather. So that's the first one. This one is the muscadine right here. This one, dig a hole. I bought more gloves yesterday from the U.S. food store. Let's do, I think these are the blackberry, the shorter one here. I have to look back at my other video to see which one it is. If I'm wrong, I'll put the right one in there. I don't think this one needs a deep hole, so let me, yeah. Too deep. I actually want to add more dirt to this before putting it in there. That way it'll sit up a little higher. add probably a layer of something on top of these and put them in the garage. What in the world? Okay, yeah, this is the blueberry. The other one was the blackberry. Oh, it has something growing down here too. I don't know if I want to cover that because I'm not sure what that is. Okay, please work out. Okay, please work out. Kisses to you. Kisses to you. And prayers over you. So y'all, I got them done. Let me show you. So we got this one here. Blueberry. I believe this is the blackberry because I'm looking at the leaves. Blackberry. And then this might be a dead one, because the scratch did not scratch well for me, but we're gonna see. If not, we'll go back and get another one. They were only $8. I shouldn't say only, because money is money, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go down to my compost and get some compost and put around it. Had to grab my gloves, y'all. Whew. Like, I don't have to run back in the house again. So I ran down to the compost at the end of my garden. I got some rabbit manure here. Y'all know I don't have my rabbits anymore, but I still have manure. But before I put these in, I meant to put this in. So therefore, I probably will end up putting a little bit of water in here, even though they don't need water in the bucket. This is an acidifier, I believe. Yeah. Soil acidifier for your berries, your fruits and stuff. And it is a granular. I've never used it before, so I'm going off of what people say. And more than one person said it, so I'm just gonna do, a couple of hands of it around the base. Because they say that berries, look, they need that acidic soil. So this is it right here. I don't know if I have bone meal or not. I didn't feel like going to look, so I'm just gonna use my compost here on top of that. It has straw around it as well. Fertilizer is to give them something that's going to feed them, not just house plants. Water, because the soil is already wet, just to wet the soil acidifier that I put in there. I'm about to feed the chickens, as you can see here, and about once a month I do the oyster shells right here. I ordered these from Amazon, but you probably can find them in your feed store or big box store. But I ordered this big box right here. It wasn't that much, and this is going to help strengthen their shells. And I'm down to one bag of these, so I'm gonna have to go buy some more of these because it's saturated in there. We're getting all this wet weather. I'm about to put this bag down, and then I will dump that on, sprinkle it around the shells around. And these chickens are so smart. When they see me come with this bag, they know to get their behinds up in there. They know what I'm about to do. Now I have to remember, I get new people here all the time, so maybe you haven't seen me do this. So I just typically, because I do deep bed method, and I only clean out the coop like every new season or right before that season, summer, spring, winter, fall, like that. I just did a big clean out because I didn't do one in the fall. So it was a lot of stuff down. I'll put some over here because they roost up here. I was wondering if I could put that other coop that I have in here, but I don't think that would be enough space for the coop for them. Put some over here where I walk in at, because that's where it's the most slippery when wet, where they kind of have dug up where they do their dirt baths at. The rest of this will go inside of the laying area. Close my door because I'm not chasing chickens today. I'll show you what it looks like. It's about time for me to order some more. Oh, my arm's stuck. It's like a Pringles commercial. So this is what the oyster shells look like. They're already cut up. They already know I'm about to put some stuff down. They only will take in what they need. So I don't recommend putting it in the food. I used to do that, but then I saw somewhere they said just sprinkle it on the ground and they'll get what they need. But if you put it into the feed, then they may get more than they need. And they'll scratch and kick and they'll find it. So, and my chickens, they lay in 2 different areas now. So I now have to check the sides to see if there are any eggs. Can't see from the sun because of my cataracts. I don't see any over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some shavings on this side. And I see 2 eggs. That's it for today, which is fine with me because I have so many eggs in their house now. In there, let's do 2 eggs. 1 bag in the shed that I have to get more feed and stuff this week as well. So I guess I'll take y'all with me when I do my feed run, show you my feed store. I only use Tractor Supply when my feed store is like on vacation because they're family run, or they're just not open for whatever reason. They have specific, sorry y'all, they have specific ones they want to lay in. They don't usually lay in this one. They do more. They're laying over here, and then now the new place right there. I'm just looking to see if they have any eggs anywhere else. I don't see any. But yeah, y'all, let me know in the comments if y'all thinking about getting some chickens, like maybe 2 chickens. 2 chickens definitely will give you enough eggs. You never want to get just 1 chicken because honestly, they probably die of boredom. But yeah, I love my girls. I had 8, now I have 7. These are some sturdy chickens, okay? The weather here be cold, rainy. I'll be looking out here like, well, why aren't they in the coop? They know to go in the coop at night. They let themselves in. I only did it like for that first week. I did it 3 days, and after that, they were putting themselves up as soon as it starts getting dusk. But yeah, they'll be out here in the cold, in the rain, in the snow. They will be out here. I have a tarp up here. I'm probably going to try to find a better system though, something where there's a overlap. You see the tarp blowing up the area here. Y'all, let's go on back in the house. I got to get my hands cleaned up and everything. Oh, I wasn't even recording. Just thought I'd show y'all how that water is running. Under my shed and into my neighbor's garden. And it is coming. I mean, the ground is so saturated in this area that, yeah, I couldn't put a greenhouse in this area, which would be good, but no. It's coming from on that hill right there. There's a pipe that has water coming through my yard. Okay, so now we're gonna get these put into the garage. This is some hay that I'm going to just put on the top to hold whatever moisture in there, so the soil doesn't go out. So I'm in Dollar General. They have a lot of garden supplies out right now. You got rakes, shovels, clippers, snippers, and sprayers. Water hoses in here for $15. Some down below for $10. Different kinds of nozzles here, sprinklers. You even have your wick candle things here. I can't remember what you call them. Y'all put it in the comments. And I need a big one of these. I need one of these with a little spout, but I need a really big one. Then you got a pump sprayer here, solar power lights here, a zapper lantern for $10. Some other outdoor items here for decor. These right here, y'all can use these right here in your house as well if your power go out, okay? Leave them outside, bring them inside at night. Use these for candles if you're afraid to use candles when your power is out. And then you got all of these different bird feeders and things you can put in the bird feeders. You even have some up here. Nice little garden decor as well. I have one of these. I don't know what happened to it. I might have to buy another one. Teal is my favorite color, if you haven't noticed from the chairs that I have in my garden, which I got to get more of. They also on this side have different size flower pots. Like you could grow potatoes in here if you don't want to do flowers. Then they got a multi-stand right here that's hanging for $15. More pots, even bigger ones at the bottom. These right here, like the little crate ones, I don't like growing in these because they don't break down. Like people say you can plant these, but they don't break down. And then they have the individual ones that you can do as well. Seed starting trays. They have potting soil in here. Potting mix, seed starting mix, grass seeds, all kinds of stuff. Gloves, even more starter kits up here. These flowers right here that they have. Things for your grill here. These are fire starters, but y'all, if you use your lint, you save your lint from your dryer, put it in a Ziploc bag, you can use that to start fires with. That's why you always need to clean those out so you don't set your house on fire. And then you have these right here, the long stem matches, firewood, and a little bit of coolers. Not a lot, because there's been a recall on millions of coolers. So just wanted to show y'all what they had in here.
Hey, they not like us. The devil can't hold me, bro. I'm coming out the mud, coming out my sin, covered in his blood. I came a long way from being drunk off at the club, following my passion. Faith without works is dead. I'm about that action. I had a lot of anger, now I'm working on compassion. My body like a tree, it's the seeds we be planting in that intermittent fasting. His word is the water, swimming in it like an otter. Used to bottle up my problems, now I'm laying them on the altar. They not like us, we the doers, they the talkers. Feeling like Adam when I'm walking through the garden, surrounded by the temptations, being famous. I'm never gonna trade my soul for some Ben Franklins. The Holy Spirit came in and changed me, I can't explain it. What the devil tried to steal, the Lord came to reclaim it. God did. This the kind of flow to make an atheist nod his head. I'm not from here. We're going up like the gas price. Who I'm repping, you ain't even gotta ask twice. This that Christ life, living life Christ-like. Known to take a Bible, make a demon go night-night. Highway to heaven, holy oil on the tires. Pumping Christian music, Holy Spirit is the driver. Devil thought he had me tied up, now I'm flying up. Hey, they not like us. The devil can't hold me, bro. I'm coming out the mud,